Hello and welcome to my Thai reading and writing course for beginners. Before starting our lessons, let me be clear that I will focus on spelling, reading, and writing at a basic level. So you might be disappointed if you want to practice advanced Thai conversation. Okay, let's start our quick introduction about Thai consonants and vowels. There are 44 Thai consonants, but only 20 sounds, which means many consonants have the same sound, but you don't need to remember this right now. We can talk about it later. Now, let's get to know vowels. There are 32 Thai vowels. That's a lot, right? Thai language system is different from English. The English alphabet has 26 letters, which is made up both of consonants and vowels. But Thai has a set of consonants and another different set of vowels, not to mention about tone marks. So this is only the interesting fact. But it's okay if you can't remember this, because before I told you, I had to Google about it first. Basically, you can read and write Thai, even you don't remember how many consonants and vowels Thai language has. I won't teach you all 44 Thai consonants in this clip, and it wouldn't be in alphabet order. I want you to start from the first group of 5 letters, which can help you make some easy Thai words quickly. We can start our first lesson now. The first letter you will learn today is Gõ Gai. Its name Gõ Gai, and it sounds Gõ. It's similar to the G sound of G in English. Let's say it again. Gõ. The second letter is Nõ Nũ. It sounds Nõ. Similar to N in English. The third one is Mò Mã. It sounds Mò. You can replace it by M. The fourth letter is Tò Tàu. It sounds Tò. You can replace it by T or TH in English. The last letter of this lesson is O Ang. It sounds O. You can replace it by O or A. So the first group of letters you learn today is Gò, Nò, Mò, Tò, O. To build a word, we also need vowels. Vowels are placed either before or after the consonant, or above or below. For the first lesson, I want to introduce you to only 2 vowels, Sara A and Sara E. Sara A is a long vowel sound. It is placed after the consonant. You can replace it by A in English. Another vowel for the first lesson is Sara E. Sara E is a long vowel sound. It can be compared to double E in English. It is placed above the consonant. The first group of letters we learn today is Gò, Nò, Mò, Tò, Ò. And the vowel that we learn today is E, A. I won't focus much on their names. You can Google by yourself. Here I want to emphasize more on their sounds so that you can learn how to spell Thai words quickly. Now it's time to take a test. I'll give you 3 seconds to say these letter sounds. Gò, Nò, Mò, Tò, Ò. Now let's practice spelling the word with Sara A. For example, Gò, A, Gà, Nò, A, Na, Mò, A, Ma, Tò, A, Tà, Ò, A, A. Let's read it together. Gà, Na, Ma, Tà, A. Now let's practice spelling with Sara E. For example, Gò, E, Gi, Nò, E, Ni, Mò, E, Mi, Tò, E, Tì, Ò, E, E. Let's read it again. Gi, Ni, Mi, Tì, E. How are you doing now? If you're tired, you can take a break a little bit before we go to a full reading lesson. I picked this book because I think it provides a good lesson for spelling. Thai school used this book when I was in a primary school, which is so long time ago. Nowadays they use the other book. It's old, but still good in terms of spelling and reading, especially for beginners. Like I said, I will only emphasize on spelling and reading. So if you want to know the meaning of these words, you can check it from the link in the description. I translate it into English. Actually, Thai writing language doesn't have a space between a word. We put a space after ending a phrase or sentence. This is the book for children, so they made it easy to read. But in general, we don't use spaces. Okay, it's time to practice spelling and reading together. Mò, A, Ma, Nò, E, Ni, Ma, Ni, Mi, Tà, Gò, A, Gà, Gà, Mi, Tà, Ò, A, Mi, Tà. Good job! We already finished the first lesson. If you want to practice writing, please check the link in the description. I prepared a worksheet for you. Apologize for my poor video editing skill. See you next time. Bye bye.